Hey guys, welcome back to Shib Kai. By no means CoinBase and the Shiba Inu are just dead. This explained. We often hear about Shiba Inu and CoinBase bonds. Mostly their bond brings great news. Once again, they're back on the news wondering what it's all about. In this video, we will talk about No Way CoinBase and Shiba Inu coins. Don't forget to smash your thumbs, share, and subscribe to our channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price prediction and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's start the video. Shiba Inu is starting to gather a lot of momentum these days as the Unification X Fund, a blockchain service provider that is directly involved in the development of the Shiba farm. The Layer 2 solution was confirmed via a recent official Medium blog post that they plan to deploy Shiba into a public beta testnet in Q3, along with a testnet upgrade for the fund, including the long-awaited IBC/Gravity/Fund update. The mysterious XRP whale reportedly moved $210 million worth of Shiba Inu from the Binance wallet to a private wallet. According to any survey, XRP whales have transferred more than $40 million of Ripple into 20 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, increasing the share of SHIB to 21% of the wallet and decreasing the share of XRP by 5%. The transaction is considered the largest transaction ever in Shiba Inu history. The whale now has over 48.7 trillion SHIB in its portfolio using a record deal. The crypto whale has now collected 20,024,240 SHIB worth $210,105,912. According to survey data, in early May, 1.5 billion Shiba were burned to reduce market supply and increase the price of the token, but this move did not produce the desired results. Given that the stock lost about 8% in the following week after making investors dream of 2021 by entering the top 10 of the most capitalized cryptocurrencies, Shiba and Dogecoin have both seen a real crash of around 80% in the last year. But it's clear that big investors are taking advantage of the lower prices and continue to pile on Shiba, which, along with other big meme currency, Dogecoin is starting to be used by big companies like Tesla, and the largest owner of movie theaters and theaters in the world, Nike, GameStop, and Nordstrom. According to some late June data, cryptocurrency whales hold SHIB tokens worth $594,171,595, which is about 14.48% of their total holdings. Notably, the whale responsible for the massive transfer started moving right after the huge volume of 1 billion tokens was announced. According to survey data, whales had already collected about 25 billion Shiba Inu tokens by the end of May. With this latest transfer, the whale had surpassed the largest holder of Shiba tokens called Lite, which holds around 32 billion tokens in its wallet, to become the largest holder of Shiba Inus in the world. Now let's move on to the main topic. Shiba Inu has become the 11th most popular cryptocurrency on CoinBase, with 80% of CoinBase users prefer buying the most popular cryptocurrency. The Shiba Inu also ranked as the third most searched coin in coin market value over the past 24 hours. The popularity of Shiba Inu across all cryptocurrency exchanges and price tracking sites started to grow as the Consolidation Fund revealed its plan to deploy SHIB in the public beta testnet in the third quarter. Recent data revealed by CoinBase, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, shows that 87% of its users have increased their net long positions in SHIB in the last 24 hours through trading, while only 13% of its users prefer to sell the 14th cryptocurrency in the world. Meanwhile, data provided by CoinMarketCap indicates that SHIB is now the third trading coin on the world's top cryptocurrency tracking site. After the aforementioned developments, SHIB's trading volume increased by more than 95% over the past days. Right now, the 24-hour trading volume for the most popular dog-themed cryptocurrency is $414,629,633. At the time of writing, the Shiba Inu is trading at 1,025 cents. According to a recent report by CryptoBasic, a massive XRP-focused crypto whale has netted 20,024,240 guys worth $210,105,912 in a single record-breaking transaction in the past 24 hours. Shiba Inu has announced that the public beta testnet of the Layer 2 blockchain project, Mariam, will start in the third quarter of 2022. The team behind Shiba Inu has decided to publish the Shiba Inu public beta test in the third quarter of 2022, following the success recorded during the alpha testnet of LL2 blockchain. According to an announcement, The Shiba Farm's private alpha test network has been running quietly for weeks without encountering any problems, and the developers feel the time is right to release the project for public testing. The Shiba Inu public beta testnet is scheduled to be published in the third quarter to coincide with the testnet upgrade for the box, which includes the long-awaited IBC Gravity W box updates, Shiba Inu said in the announcement. When Samarium is released to public testing, people will be allowed to fully interact with the network, spatially participating in the validation process. A public beta testnet will allow parties to fully interact with the network, including the validation process. According to the consolidation, the core tool under heavy development is the wallet application, which is intended to be a comprehensive application that covers two-way asset transfers between a single LL and one LL to asset transfers on each particular level of /authorization and in future releases. Shibaswap integration, which will also be deployed on L2. Meanwhile, Shibarium is part of initiatives under development that will prove the Shiba Inu is not a meme currency but a utility project. The L2 network, which is being built on the Ethereum blockchain, tends to have the same capabilities as the ETH scaling platform Polygon. Once your Barium is up and running, the Shiba Inu developers will migrate all Shiba-related projects, including Shoebox, the upcoming collectible card game, and the Metaverse project, to the Layer 2 network. Cryptocurrency exchange FTX overtook rival CoinBase in terms of Bitcoin trading volume in May, despite the latter having a record number of transactions, according to a recent report by Calico. The discrepancy in trade volumes versus the number of trades indicates that the average dollar value per trade on Coinbase was lower than that on FTX. The average trading volume on FTX $2K is almost double that on Coinbase. The report reads $1 for the BTC-USD pair. Though Coinbase maintains a tight grip on users, Caco analysts reported that several smaller exchanges, notably Bitfinex and Bitstamp, shared a large slice of their market share. The trend suggests the market is consolidating amid a prolonged bearish sentiment, as smaller players have a harder time keeping up with the competition, the report reads. Coinbase also recorded a significant rise in trading volumes last month. However, it failed to surpass its all-time high during the May 19, 2021 sell-off, amid China's crackdown on Bitcoins. These issues included intermittent crashes on Coinbase and Binance, pauses and withdrawals of Ethereum-related tokens, and reported user connectivity issues on Kraken. The report also highlights the Coinbase premium, which is the difference between the early Bitcoin price on the BTC-USD pair on Coinbase and Binance. The premium turned negative in May after being positive for nearly 6 months. Recently, Core Scientific reported its first quarter 2022 results. Total revenue of $192.5 million, up $138.3 million, or 255% from $54.2 million. The increase in total revenue was primarily driven by digital asset mining and hosting revenue, which was partially offset by a decrease in equipment sales. Total hosting revenue of $33.2 million increased $20.5 million, or 162%, from $12.7 million. The increase in customer hosting revenue was primarily driven by the entry of new customers and the execution of new hosting contracts for related parties for miners, and total customer published equipment sales of $26.3 million decreased by $5.6 million, or 18%. The decline in equipment sales to customers was primarily driven by the deployment of fewer miners, which was partially offset by sales of equipment to related parties, driven by higher demand for new generation mining equipment. Digital asset mining income of $133.0 million was up $123.4 million, or 1,281%, from $9.6 million. The annual increase in mining income was mainly driven by the increase in the self-mining hash rate. Self-mining hash rate increased by 1,975% to 8.3. From an age of 0.48. The total number of Bitcoins awarded was 3,202, compared to 206. It was the average Bitcoin price, $41,299 compared to $44,274, a decrease of 7%. Cost of revenue of $122.5 million increased $82.8 million, or 209%, from $39.7 million. This is the wrap today. Don't forget to smash your thumbs, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.